Hello everyone! 안녕하세요. Welcome back. Red Lake Cosmo here. So today I'm trying to make a delicious vegetable root. So the other day on my previous video, you could see that I made a keto gimbap and vegetable root was one of the gimbap ingredients. So as I promised that I'm going to share the recipe of this dish. So this is very simple, easy cooking, yet very delicious. So this is very common and popular side dish in Korea. So if you'd like to know how to make this, then stay tuned. Let's quickly check it out the ingredients. So we need to prepare burdock. This is burdock. So this is a short length because I cut it. Then when you go to the mall just to buy this, normally how you can find this kind of long one. So the other day when I was cooking this dish, my daughter just told me that, "Mom, what are you doing with this word?" So it was just so funny and I was just laughing. And for the seasonings, we can prepare the cooking oil, soy sauce, rice syrup, sesame seeds, and some water. So first we need to peel the skin off. So how you can do, you can just use the knife. Either sometimes people just use the peeler. So we're done peeling off the skin, so I'll show you how it looks after peeling it. So this is the one I peel off the skin with a knife, and this is the one with a peeler. So this one looks like a little wider than this one and looks more clean. So it will just turn brown at some point. So it's totally up to you to use the peeler or the knife. And now we need to cut this. So this is my mom's shape. How you shape? See, my mom cut it in this way, maybe about half size. So then I cut it a little longer because I want to just blend. Slice it first in the way. And now we're gonna drain it. So done chopping. Let's put it in a basket. So this is like a 400 grams. I didn't want to have any leftover, so I just made it double. But on the ingredient section, just remind you that that is for 200 grams, even for the seasonings. And now we need to wash this in a water. So after cutting it, I just rinsed in a cold running water twice or 3 times. But then if you're very sensitive for bitter taste of a burdock, or if you'd like to make burdock more white, then you can just soak in the water with a few drops of vinegar and you can put it there for like 10 minutes. So drain the water. So then just turn the butter on, preheat it. So after draining the water, then we're gonna just stir fry with the oil first and then we'll braise it. So you can pour the oil just a little bit. And if you do have the chlorella oil, then you can just put it, you can add, this is more delicious. Then we'll add burdock. Okay. Stir fry it with the oil first. So over medium, stir fry it for about 3 to 4 minutes. And now we're gonna add some water. And also the soy sauce. Mix. So you just cover with the lid and boil down another 3 to 4 minutes. Pour just plain water into the pan here, but then if you don't have any broth, like a beef broth or whatsoever, then that could be more delicious. So let's check it out. So good. We still got a little water here, right? So just check how the taste is. Right. So you can add the white syrup at this moment. Did you know that product has the function of anti-inflammation? So if you have any skin trouble like having a pimple, then you can try the ear product. Then you can have the good skin, and also it's good for the diet. Right? Some people, they just cut it and let it dry, and they make a tea with that. Then they believe that they can lose weight. So see, it's almost done. When you see there's no more water like this, then you can turn the burner off. You can add 1 spoon of rice syrup again. So we'll just add 1. If you do have the perilla oil, then also you can add 1 spoon. Then again, you need to turn the burner on over high heat and just cook it until you don't see the seasoning here. Let's turn off the burner. Good. When it's so hot, you can add sesame seeds. So put it all over. You need to put the sesame seeds when it's so hot. Otherwise, it doesn't mingle and it will just get separated. So just mix. This is way too good. So yummy. So let me put on a plate. We're done cooking now. So the taste wise, I will not mention anything more because this is too good. It's so nice. Very delicious. And the cooking wise was really simple, wasn't it? We hope that you enjoyed my cooking video today, and I promise that Kajima will be there for you all the time to make a beautiful and delicious Korean food. So hope to see you next time.